This rap battle is brought to you by Keeps. More information at the end of the video.
Test. I'm MrBeast. We can scrap the S, cause I've never missed a beat. You had to cut from honey under threat of a gun blast. When I had to cut from honey, that's enough check that I'm gone. Cash you really last. Number one is to me, what job you have is more of the original accomplice. Cause you bought the composition and became love. But the consequences that you got to them, because you paid their debt, so to pay your debt. I applaud you getting into this game, you won't get rich. I'm like your mama, I'm dead set. Then check the gaming channel, millions of children watching. How'd you win all that one kid, but not custody of one kid? Did you think you'd get a bath with that lighter you bought it? You're playing tug of war with your ex, but the robe is your daughter. So stupid saying we'll show you the light. You didn't go to SNU, that's right. If the task was less, get backstabbed by your pal. You wouldn't make it through the night. When it feast, I don't need a suit and tie. Rapping with all that the food I try. I'll reward, then you will die. Save those stuff for PewDiePie.
So this is the next test, and make us fighting for survival. But instead of a kid game, we'll be playing this man child. You're this fragile like glass. I will smash it if you push me. Made your fortunes of subscribers, now give them their fucking cookies. On all this good, fertilizing me, right to get by. He's can't gay violence, sweet rice, and high trees, rice, and headlines. Being nice when you spread vibes inside, better than by MrBeast lines. Sick of making signs, what you leave guys. Only ever moving when you're on the set side, double king sound, looking anti, red light, green light. Don't talk about loyalty, you don't get any. You're like, I spent at least $10,000 renting people out to pretend to be friends with me. I wonder why VIPs had to hide their face behind plastic. Now that I see this bastard, I get what the point of the mask is.
I just replaced all of you surviving friends with Legos.
Jimmy, there aren't any Legos.
For a critique on greed, it seems ironic. Your show sold out like it's stock from shopMrBeast.com, bitch.
Spent 24 hours in a bunker, another 24 inside of a fake prison, and 50 hours in a couple. Did you do us all a big solid stage? And spend a name in a way Jeff Bezos to take care of kitties. It's a challenge that I couldn't be paid to be. And can't make the lines all stay within. I'm like, take the fight, cannot scrape the living.
Let's hope that you didn't bet all of your money on winning this fight now. Cause a lot like your job, if that happened, you're likely to die on my fire and strike out. Join deep seas and clean that garbage past you deem so awful. You lost everything to a pensioner who lost his fucking marbles.
I make the calls and this torture been placed. You only got balls and an old beast can raise. Real man heart, smoke out the curse, bleeding, go hiding in nerdy tree streams. Got more beast in this burger, me crease. Got a more seed in your girl, the team trees. Speaks no one will be quality homes. It's not just something you can fight in a moan. Got no 5,000 against my roster. Don't join in the fight and attack, kill a tracker. You said hi to your mother with a brand new channel. I said bye to my brother with a mag of ammo. Spoke hi to your mama internet. Back up you teaching wars. Put your hand on them, you can handle the truth. If you run out of money, you run out of your personality too. Out of 100% of your viewers, nobody watches your channel for you.